Alright, y'all, so I'm finna get into this breakdown of this trade that I took on Thursday on GJ. So as you can see, I have marked up. All of these are from Thursday. All these markups are from Thursday. So I didn't trade today at all. So as you see, I have marked up my previous weekly high, previous daily low. I'm sorry, previous daily high, previous daily low, and then my previous weekly high. Alright, so I believe around like A's in session. What time is this? Yeah, all of this you see this right here from GJ, right? It just was bleeding and it just was not stopping. So when I had did my little breakdown before when I did it Wednesday night, I just seen that GJ was bleeding. So I marked this gap and it was a gap right here. Wow, what gap was this? I believe it was an hour. Yeah, it was an hour gap. All right, let me move all this. All right, move all that. Move all that. All right, so I marked this 4 hour gap right here and then this 1 hour gap. All right, so you can see for London session, it just kind of retraced back into that gap. And me, I seen it when it did it retrace back into the gap, but I wasn't gonna take no sales because that's not my session that I trade. So, uh, I got up at 7. I believe it was news, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on. It was hella news on Thursday. Yeah, yeah. Hella news. Um, I entered, I entered into buys, just some quick buys, just to catch a quick move just to catch the retracement because it's been bleeding this whole time. You can take trades against the trend. It just has to make sense. So I'm looking at it's been bleeding all for London session. It just was dropping. So there's no reason for me to try to look for sales if after no retracement. So I seen the order block, 15-minute order block, seen the 15-minute order block, and then the 5 minute demand right here. So damn. Oh shit. What the fuck? Um, what the fuck? Okay. It tapped into right here. It tapped into, so then I got in for buys. I don't really remember the exact when I got in, but I got in like yeah, some it had to be a break of the candle. So me personally, I did want to target this whole thing to catch to tap back into the supply right here, but I didn't. So I closed the trade right here at this resistance because it did need to create resistance right there. Also, let me see before all of this happened, some type of resistance was needed because nothing, it just was breaking all types of structure, taking out liquidity. It was no retracement, so some type of resistance is needed from right here and right here. So I took my profits right there. All right, then my original targets, once I got into sales, because I hopped into sales right at that candle in that 5 minute, hopped into sales, stop loss above that liquidity right there. So if price was to break up to these highs and stop me out, I'm not gonna have a 20 pip stop loss because if it goes way above 15 pips, that means it's just gonna tap into this supply right here, this 1 hour fair value gap, and create resistance right here. All right, so I took my profits, kept my stop loss at 15 pips, right? 15. All right, so boom. My targets was this London low, which is liquidity, and to break structure, it's gonna break structure if this London low is taken out. And then I believe I seen uh that's what those blue lines was right here. Tap and take that liquidity out, take that liquidity out, and then to take out this previous weekly low because just how it was how hard it was dropping. Why not target that previous weekly low? All right, so it didn't really hit the previous weekly low, but I did get my 60 pips for sure. I did go for 60 for sure. But yeah, these were two small trades, or these are two great trades. Thursday was a big day, that's why I didn't trade on Friday. But that's really all for this breakdown. Those are the only trades I took. But not yet. GJ most definitely is moving. I feel like it might tap back up here because it's overall bearish for sure. And I feel like it's trying to take out. I believe it's a fair value gap on the higher time frame. Yeah, I feel like it's trying to come back and create some type of resistance right here, a better resistance right here, and then continue up, or come back and probably fill this in the future. But who knows? We just looking at what's going on right now. Yeah, on me. But nah, yeah. If you got to this video, I really appreciate you. Um, these were two bangers. If you got in these trades, let me know if you caught these same moves, either the buys or the sells. But nah, these were most definitely textbook trades. But nah, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate if y'all got to the end of this video.